Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Log. So today in this video, I'll show you how to create OnlyFans account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open OnlyFans app. Make sure that you have already downloaded OnlyFans app. Now tap and sign up for OnlyFans. Once you sign up, enter your name, enter your email, and then enter your password. It will ask you to use password or create your own. Tap and create my own. And create new password. Next tap and sign up button. Now check I'm not a robot. And here select an image with cars. Once you select it, simply tap and verify button. Next, click on sign up button. So you have been successfully signed up on OnlyFans account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.